Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing each leaning section and loosening what's binding. Check post rot and footing. If the base is crumbling, the post must be replaced. Remove 2-3 boards to expose fasteners. That gives access and prevents panel damage. Once done, loosen screws or nails and pry post clear enough to insert temporary braces. Use a post level and measure the lean angle because you will use that reading to straighten accurately. Make sure to stage materials next to the work area for one continuous workflow. You brace the post with two 2x4s forming an A-frame and place a jack against the post to lift slowly. Use a level to make the post plumb and adjust the jack in small increments while the braces hold alignment. Dig out soil 6-12 inches around the post to relieve pressure and inspect the base. Add 3/4-inch gravel for drainage. If the old concrete is failing, pull it out and set the post in fresh concrete. Hold it plumb until the mix cures. You now reattach the fence boards or panels using stainless or galvanized screws so future corrosion doesn't loosen connections. Replace any split or rotten boards and maintain consistent gaps. Backfill the hole in 2-3-inch layers, tamping each layer so water sheds away from the post. Slope the soil slightly down. Once cured, test the fence for movement. If it still wobbles, consider sistering a new post alongside the old one or digging deeper to a solid footing. That solves most persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.